Hello guys, in today's video we are doing the service of fire inspection in a quarry. So guys, watch and see. This is annual fire inspection. See guys how the machine extracts the concrete into cement. So guys, watch and see the DIY, the motor running the machine. See the process guys. See guys, and if you are new to my channel, please you can comment down at the comment section, comment, like and share to friends. So guys, if you need this service, you can contact us so that we can come and check your fire equipment. We service fire extinguisher, all fire equipment, fire alarm, fire hose reel, sprinkler, hydrants, so fire suppression. So guys, see the DI motor, science energy. See how it run the heavy machine. See guys, please, if you have not subscribed, this is the right time for you to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe and take your YouTube channel into another level. So continue watching guys up to the end. See the guy, this is a fireman trying to take photos. See where the concrete is assembled so that it can be taken into another level where it produces the cement. So guys, see the clouds, the environment, the atmosphere guys. See the machines. This is the motor running the system. So guys, this is a good video for you guys, and if you have not commented or subscribed, please do so that you'll be getting our videos